Hey guys, so come with me as I get my new pair of eyeglasses. So I'm currently here at Carriedo Station. So tara, samahan nyo kami. Some of you have been DMing me saan ko kinuha tong glasses na to. So by the way, this glasses is worth 2,500 pesos only. Pero mind you, I have 500 plus na grado. And this is not ultra thin. And then this includes also yung blue light filter for gadgets. And also includes yung transition lens. This one is just enough kasi if you go sa mga malls, yung glasses ko is worth 5,000 plus pesos given that it's also, I have mataas na grado. Hello po! Actually, dito ko po pinagawa tong ano. Ay, ikaw yun. Naalala ko si Kuya yun. So, papagawa po kasi siya ulit. Yeah, and then Kuya, pwede bang magpagawa ng ganito?
Paano?
Yung
Ano
shades kasi siya,
Shades
pero may
lang,
grado.
pero may grado.
Grado mo?
May frame na ako. Magkano kaya? Ang ipapagawa ko is sunglasses na may grado kasi yung transition lens kasi although helpful siya at some point, pero kasi like pag super duper liwanag, nahihirapan talaga ako kasi medyo light sensitive yung eyes ko. So, dati kasi I have sunglasses from Vision Express, pinagawa ko pero sobrang mahal. So look, they have a wide variety ng choices ng glasses dito. So iba-ibang price to. So, asa this. Kuya, magkano usually like yung frame lang?
Frame?
Oo.
Mayroong mga frame na 1 to pag may brand. 1,000.
1,000 po.
1 to 1,000. Pero
Apo.
pagka yung mga Korean frame lang, 500.
Ah, okay po. Choices daw is meron parang 500 pesos, 1,000, 1,500, pero the cheapest one is 500 pesos. Ito yung shop ni Kuya, ayan yung labas. Pakita ko sa inyo later yung kung saan kami pumasok sa building na to. So, itetest nila yan for UV filter just to make sure na working siya if you're under the sun. So, ito yung napili ni Ryan na frame. So, una sa kanyang magawa. 45 minutes ngayon kasi medyo maraming tao. And this one, ang worth niya is 2,800 pesos and it comes with authenticity ng lens. Ito. And then may case and may libreng panglinis ng lens. Meron yung blue light filter, meron din transition, and meron siya 50% anti-fog. I got the 2 frames already. So, medyo natagalan kasi ginaya pa nila yung color. But this is the first one. So, ito. Ayan. It's like this. Perfect. And then, the second one. So, this is the second one. And just what it looks like. So, diba? Hindi na ako bulag. Makakapag-sunglasses